Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a tequila plant for your home, so you can drink tequila every day and treat your osteoporosis at the same time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. So let's get started. If you suffer from any health condition, one of the most popular ways to treat that illness or health problem is with natural products. For instance, if you are suffering from asthma, you can use a natural asthma remedy. Tequila is one of the best natural home remedies for asthma. Tequila is made from the fermentation process of agave plants. It is an excellent herbal medicine, and it can be used to treat asthma. There are different types of tequila, which include white, blanco, silver, reposado, and anejo. It is a type of alcoholic beverage that comes from the fermentation of agave plants. If you are suffering from allergies, you can use tequila as an alternative to allergy medication. You can get the alcohol extract from the fermented agave plants. In this case, you should buy only organic tequila to avoid any toxic side effects. Tequila is safe for people who don't drink alcohol. There are many benefits of using tequila. Tequila plants are a natural source of vitamin C. As a result, they help increase the body's ability to absorb calcium and magnesium. By increasing the absorption of these minerals, the body is able to better process the calcium and magnesium in the food we eat. The tequila plant, a small perennial shrub native to Mexico and Central America, has been shown to lower blood pressure and help regulate heart rate and blood pressure. Tequila contains antioxidants, especially gallic acid and quercetin, which are known to lower blood pressure and prevent hypertension. Tequila is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that cause inflammation in your body and can destroy healthy cells. Tequila has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help protect your immune system and keep you strong. One of the best ways to treat osteoporosis naturally is to drink 1 ounce of tequila every day. That's a small amount of alcohol to have daily, but drinking tequila every day helps build stronger bones because of the antioxidants it contains. Osteoporosis is a major public health problem, affecting more than 9 million Americans in 2010. More than 3.5 million osteoporotic fractures occur each year. These fractures can be quite painful and may require a stay in the hospital, surgery, and even a cast or crutches. Although treatments exist, many people still suffer from the effects of this debilitating disease. According to a report in the Journal of Applied Animal Nutrition, researchers from the Mexico's National University of Quilmes discovered that tequila plant, Euterpe oleracea mart, may be beneficial for treating osteoporosis. Some of these benefits include: improves brain function, reduces stress and anxiety, supports weight loss, increases energy levels, treats insomnia. You can also drink tequila as a treatment for. Okay guys, that's the tequila plant that can treat osteoporosis naturally. If you like this video, check out our other videos. By the way, thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.